Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Now on the gold chart, we have now seen a reaction to our micro support area that we talked about in the last video. We haven't clearly, not yet clearly broken out to the upside yet, but we have a reaction, quite a substantial reaction to that support region. So we talked about it only a few days ago. I think that was when we were still in the support region without any upside reaction yet. But ultimately, the idea was that this here is a B wave pullback in a third wave, and that this third wave, okay, the third wave should ideally get to the 138% extension or the 161.8 extension, while the support area should hold. So obviously, this the wave count only gives us the key parameters. So the Elliott wave structures are a roadmap, and we know when the market is deviating from the roadmap. So Elliott wave gives us very clear risk levels here. And the key level here for this B wave corrective pullback, and it is a corrective pullback at the moment, it's only in 3 waves. That definitely keeps the door open for higher, yeah? So it's a corrective pullback, so it keeps the door open for higher, but the key support was at $2,600. That means a break below it wouldn't be great, wouldn't be invalidation, but it wouldn't be great. But the invalidation point of this AB structure is the red line. That's really the key level. That's the invalidation point. That's at 2,573. But support and invalidation point obviously did hold. We haven't broken yet above previous highs, however. And in the coming week, I'm going to watch for a break above, so at least it's the next target for the bulls, right? That we get a break above this last high at 2,690, followed by a break above 2,710. While ideally holding above the Thursday low, because if this is the low, then the price should now move higher in wave C of 3. Now, I already gave you standard Fibonacci targets for a third wave based on the length of the initial 1-2 setup within an even larger C wave of wave 3. So overall, yeah, we're still watching for higher prices overall, yeah. But what we can do as well, now that we have a potential low in place in this B wave, we can specify that a little bit further. How do we do that? Well, we take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and then we are looking for the 100% extension, and we will have to have a look if it's in any way outside of the box there, yeah. But no, it's actually within the existing target box. So that's great. That actually gives us additional confluence. And if the market can really next week or so break out higher, then I'm going to watch this area between 2,738 and 2,767 with an additional level now at 2,758. So what happens now if we, however, break lower? Well, it would be the alternative scenario, and I shared with you in the last update that there are different scenarios then which could apply, but one such scenario could be that we're already in this 4th wave, okay? That's definitely the next one I'm watching for, with support then for the alternative scenario between 2,482 and 2,566. So primary count is that we're going higher as per the micro count suggested, and that we are holding 2,600. Alternatively, and only the market will decide that, it can be that we do this, a larger ABC. Out of this smaller ABC, a larger ABC could form with support down here between 2,566 and 2,482. But that would only be, well, that would require proving. At least then we would need a break below the Thursday low, but possibly also a break, obviously, then going forward below 2,600 and below the red line to confirm it really further. But for now, we had a good reaction, and all the data points are clear now. Should be at least. Roadmap still pointing for higher prices. And at the moment, I think we are still in this larger degree third wave. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.